Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to cover one good mic. It's usable for laptop and more for smartphones. If you want to make a content in the Instagram or Facebook or in YouTube, you have to use some microphone. There we have a different type of the microphone. I'm already using that DJI Osmo Pocket 2 mic. It's just connecting in the DJI, but all people doesn't have this type camera. But when you want to use mobile or smartphone for you recording your video, or for beauty area or for vlogging, every purpose, this mic is best for you. As you see guys, in the package is some document and that bill I bought and warranty also. This adapter you can connect in your smartphone. This side is type C. You can use for all Android phone, any type Android phone you can use. And this side is lightning for those iPhone is under 15 version, mean iPhone 14 or 14 Pro Max, because iPhone 15 comes by type C. This is good, and they have a 2 mic. You can use for recording your voice. I have a good noise cancellation system also, and for interview you can use 2 person in this mic. This mic getting the charge by type C, and this dongle also need the charge because you have to charge it. This also using the type C. Mean if you have a Android phone, that phone using the type C, you no need to buy any specific charger or cable for this. Same charger you can use for all of this mic and microphone and your smartphone and this device also. Guys, if you liked this type video, please like the channel. If you're watching this video in the Facebook page, please follow the page and subscribe, or follow the page, subscribe the channel. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment below. And for giving motivation for me, please hit the like button. Guys, for using this mic for smartphone, I am showing you. You have to connect this here in the type C for type C port. When you connect it, it will be blinking in the green light when this connect, and you click here and press for some second. Here will getting turn on. When this get the turn on, it's automatically recognizing the phone. No need, and just you record your video with good quality of the sound. And this also getting turn on by pressing for 2 seconds. And this mic can cover around 10 meter around. If you wanna talk or interview, you can use both of them, 2 person in the same time. If you want to use just the 1 person, one is enough. You can turn off the one of them and use it. This all device getting the charge from type C.